If you need a big, practical storage solution for all of your pool toys and outdoor gear, this extra large pool storage bin is a really smart choice. It measures 69 inches long, 32 inches wide, and 35 inches high. Gives you plenty of room for pool floats, noodles, balls, and other swim accessories without everything ending up scattered around the yard. What makes this especially useful is the mesh rolling bin design. The mesh sides help with the airflow, which is great for wet pool gear because it allows items to dry out better instead of trapping moisture inside. That's a huge plus for keeping things more organized and reducing that damp, messy feel around the pool area. I also like that it's easy to move thanks to the rolling design, so you can reposition it around your patio, garden, or pool deck without much hassle. The large capacity is perfect for families or anyone with a lot of pool equipment to store. Overall, this is a convenient and spacious outdoor storage option that helps keep floats, toys, and pool accessories neat, easy to access, and off the ground. It's a great addition for anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized pool area.